I was just going through one of my daily exercises, looking at the properties in our area or in my area that I specialize in. And every day I go through these properties and see, what are the trends? What's been happening? And so what I'm able to do is I'm able to track up to 100 properties at any given time. And so I've got a geographic area that kind of covers this, like East York, Riverdale, Leslieville, and Beaches area. And then, so from that, I can start to see some really cool trends, which I'm going to share with you right now. So, and you kind of take a look along these ones. And right now I have 72. I try to keep it up to 100. And a couple of things that I can tell you that I've been seeing lately. So this one here, this one on Milverton that you can see. It was listed at $1,099,000 and it sold for $1,380,000, which sounds like a really great price, which it is. However, a week ago, or maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, this same sort of property was selling just over 1.4 million. We were getting them in the 1.45, or sorry, 1.415, 1.42, that sort of area. And now I've seen this kind of dip down a little bit. The other thing that's interesting is here you can see new, sold conditional, terminated, and then this says PC, which is price change, which is really interesting from our perspective because a price change usually means they had priced it lower and then changed their pricing because they missed on an offer night. So price change, price change, price change. You got another one here, a bunch down here. And then same thing with terminated. It usually means that they've terminated the listing and then they're going to come out at a new price, usually higher and in line with the seller's expectation. And then again, look at all of these price changes. So what this tells me is that we've got a little bit of, we'll call it like a cooling of the market. What that means is, here, I'll just flip this around. And what that means is we've got fewer buyers in the market. Maybe offers are coming in, but they're not quite at the seller's expectations. And so we're going to have this period of time where there's houses that are for sale that don't sell on their offer night and have to get repriced. There are some others, however, that are still very popular and are selling for well over ask. So we've got a little bit of a, like it's a cooling of the market, but things, not to be panicked or anything like that. If you're a buyer, this could be a good time to start getting out there and getting active in the market.